Enhancing your forms with default values can make the form submission process faster, more accurate, and easier to track. SuperForm makes it quite simple to create a form with default values. Let's start with an easy example. I am using SuperForm to update my stock. I can pre-fill the form so that the transaction type field is automatically set to take out of stock, and the amount field is set to -1. With these default values in place, my colleagues and I can update stock levels in seconds. No typing, no errors, just faster, cleaner inventory tracking. So how do we configure forms with default values? First, navigate to the Restrictions tab in the SuperForm editor and activate the Save as Draft toggle. Then proceed to the SuperForm and click on the Preview button. Now, input the information into the fields that you want to have default values. Once you've done that, scroll down and click on the Save as Draft button. Next, copy the link and save it in a safe place for future sharing. You can now share this link with anyone, and they'll be able to see the default values when they access the form. Here's a quick tip. As a general rule, pre-filled fields are editable. So for example, if the field is pre-filled to remove one item from your stock, but you want to remove two, you can just update the amount. But if you don't want users to change the default values, you can go back to the SuperForm editor and set fields with default values as View Only. This locks the fields, so they stay visible but can't be edited. Another useful tip, when the Save as Draft feature is toggled on, end users can save their drafts as they are filling the form. This can be useful if the form is long and they want to come back to it later. Note that if you leave this feature activated, it won't affect the original link you generated. Each time the end user clicks the Save Draft button, a new URL with saved data is generated. If for any reason you don't want end users to be able to save drafts for themselves, navigate back to the Restrictions tab and toggle off the Save Draft feature. Now you have a form with default values that are not editable, and the form cannot be saved as draft. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest updates on new SuperForm features and other exciting releases in all of Spot-nik's apps.